Hey guys, Anthony Michael here, Texas Chainsaw Restorations. Figured today we go do a little cold start on this bad boy right here. This is my favorite piece in my collection right now. It's a near mint condition farm yellow, early 245. It's been slightly worked on, but not much has been done to this thing, man. Yeah. Let's check the gas tank. Tiny bit of gas swishing around in there. Let's see if I can get her to pull over for you. Cold start. I haven't fired this up in a while. Gonna rev real high and cut off because it's almost out of gas. But yeah, man, this is one of my prized possessions right here. It's an